My dear students, let us take a pendulum hanging here, having positive charge. Because there are opposite charges on the plates here, this positive charge will move a little bit aside, having certain force F, and what is acting downwards? mg is acting downwards here. Okay, but if you want to take just accelerations, you should take here F is equal to QE, because force acting on the charge is taken as Q into E, whereas MA is equal to Q into E, A is equal to QE by M, that is taken as acceleration. So acceleration in this direction acting, it is QE by M. Here downward acceleration is just G here. Okay, so when this is acting QE by M, this is G, then what is the resultant of these two? This is going to be the resultant here, making certain angle. These two are corresponding angles, and this resultant is taken as G net. So you are going to find out G net as the square of these two, because this is a hypotenuse, as this is QE by M and this is G. We can find out G net as G square plus QE by M whole square under root. This is a Pythagoras theorem, it's a hypotenuse. So therefore time period T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G net. See, T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G net is square root of G square plus QE by M whole square. This is going to be your answer. I have done in just 1 minute.